Hi guys, what's up? Evanaldo here. So just want to preface this video by saying that none of this is financial advice. What I'm going to do in this video is place a trade on BYBIT. I'll give you guys a freebie trade that I'm going to take. I'm going to show you how to sign up for BYBIT and how to do all that to deposit the money in the account to get the promo with my link down below. I negotiated a promo just for you guys with BYBIT down below. So you're probably curious what the promo is. The promo is deposit $10, and you can click it right here in the link in the description below of this video or the pinned comment down below, or any of my videos really. And you just got to deposit $10 to make a spot trade. So that's just buying, without leverage, just Bitcoin on spot or Ethereum on spot, and minimum of $10 and receive $15 for the first 100 users. So they almost double the money that you put in there. And even if you're somebody who doesn't want to leverage trade, their fees, I believe, are still, don't quote me on it, but I believe they still might be doing a discount for spot trading fees on there as well. Or what I like better is deposit $1,000, make a derivatives trade, so that's a leverage trade, and receive $100 for the first 100 users. I think that's a really good promo, so check that. First 10 users, excuse me, only 10 people for that. I think that's a really good promo, so check that out. There's only 8 spots left for that, so get into that. Obviously, derivatives trading is more risky, but do it with responsibility. This is never financial advice, as always, guys. Anything can happen. So what I want to show you is when you click this link, what you're going to get is your sign up right here, email, password, really simple. You need to be on an IP address that is not in the United States to do this. Keep that in mind. So yeah, and then once you get in, what you want to do is go on to BYBIT right here, and it's going to be a trade with Adam that I'm going to show you how to make. So you're going to go to assets, and we got about 12 grand in this account right here, and you're going to click on deposit. It's pretty simple to deposit, and it's going to show you here. There's a quick video that shows you how to do it. They have a pretty good tutorial. A coin to deposit, Bitcoin, or you could trade with Tether if you're somebody who isn't holding too much Bitcoin now throughout the bear market, because actually more trading with Bitcoin, at least on BYBIT, I believe, is done with Tether. Choose the chain that you want to use. They have a lot of them, so you could believe save in fees quite a bit with the BSC chain, Binance chain. ETH20 is usually the most expensive one, or any of these ones, whatever suits whatever you want the most. I usually use BSC because that's the cheapest fees, or TRX. Yeah, they do have TRC, excuse me, TRC. Those ones have the cheapest fees, so I would use that. Depending on where you send it from, I don't think you could send it from Coinbase on this chain, but there are some places like KuCoin, excuse me, that you could send it from, other exchanges that do allow it, so you deposit that. Once you have that in there, then you could move the assets around. If we go to our spot account, what you could do is it's zero fees for spot trading right now. So even if you don't want a derivatives trade, still use my link in the description below to get that promo. Over double, $15 just for depositing $10 to do a spot trade. So just buying long term to do that. There's also earn too. You could stake your crypto. Obviously, we saw what happened with Celsius. Be careful with that. You shouldn't put all your crypto in there, but there is that option. BYBIT's a big name, obviously. I don't think they're going to go down, but in these times, not anybody could go down, obviously. So don't, I would never recommend anyone stake all their crypto. Never financial advice. So you can move from spot to derivatives right there. Derivatives is what you want to use for leverage trading. That's what you want. And you could even do derivatives for USDC now, for Bitcoin, I believe. I think they're going to add some stuff to that. I just use Tether mainly to trade right now. So that's that. And now, what I want to show you is once you get the money into your derivatives account, you transferred it from spot over to derivatives, you're going to go to what coin you want to trade. So what I want to trade right now is Atom. I want to short Atom right now. And let me show you quickly why I want to short Atom. So we got the trade up right here. This is a free trade setup. Usually I give these on the exclusive Discord, but I'm just going to give it to you guys for free in this video. So yeah, we're out right here right now. Your 3-day, very split RSIs. It's always a bearish sign usually. And a red dot. You're curving downward. We're also going to look at the weekly VWAP curving downward. Look at all this money flow just gradually trying to come out here. It looks like it's just a delayed effect to want to really come down. This is going to be a swing trade. So split RSI is right here. Your money flow is starting to come down as well. And bearish div confirmed on your daily. Some may say, you already came down, you're hitting off of this fib level right here. I think there's some gas left in the tank. I think we could come down quite a bit more for here. So what I like to do is always use good risk management, put this trade in Market Cipher, got 11,600 in our derivatives account. Trade exposure 2,000. It's a good amount. Want to risk? Let's just risk 1% of our trading account on this trade. Already have a lot of trades open. It's going to tell us to use super low leverage. What we could do is just go on what I like to do, 1 or 2x leverage for a trade with a stop loss that's this high, this insanely high up there, and do a contract size of about $700. People may say it's a very small trade. There's a lot of other trades I have in that are going to add up as well, guys. So it's just one trade, and that's how it is. Trading is not get rich overnight. It's get rich slowly. But if you know what you're doing, you can execute it very, very well. So let's get right into this. Let's open our trade. So what we want to do is, especially if you're new, do not use crossed margin. That's a great way to eat your entire account away. And we're going to pick how much leverage we want to use. For the sake of this one, let's use 2x leverage. Simple amount, especially for a very, very volatile altcoin. You're going to hit our order price that we want to limit in. So it's cheaper to limit in. I always try to limit in, especially for a swing trade. There's no reason to ever, in my opinion, be marketing into a swing trade. Order by cost. So that's going to be easy. Our position size should be around 700. Let's do so 350. We want to put in 350 right here. And let's try to limit into this. Let's open up this short, and that's probably going to, we want to get our price above where it's at right now. So it's actually a pretty good place to try to enter. So what you could do too is to try to get it in a little bit faster. You could try to chase this. You could try to see, we just got it in. We just got it filled. So good. So what we want to do now is make sure our value is correct. So our value is right here. Everything's right. 2x leverage. Add in our stop loss. Where is that going to be? And that's going to be probably, you could do it for this. I wouldn't even leave any wiggle room really. I would probably just do it above our above our swing high right there, just a teeny tiny bit. So I would do 17.27 right there. That's a good amount. 17.27, and we're going to lose about $160. So you want this number to be something that you're pretty comfortable losing. 1% isn't a crazy amount to be betting on a trade. Pretty safe amount, and that's a good amount, especially if you're starting out. Let's put the stop loss in right there, and we want to set our take profit. So you're going to go to the close tab. You're going to do limit, and what's our price that we want to take our first profits here? And it's going to be 11.27. I like to round up. Let's do 11.3. Why not? 11.3. And for a trade like this, I would take out price since it's such a big trajectory, probably about 50%. You're in a bear market though, so it wouldn't be a terrible idea to take out just 25% and try to let it ride a little bit longer, set your stop loss entry point. For this one, I feel like taking out 50% since I have pretty much every trade I have in right now is a short on everything, so stock market too. So I'll be a little bit more conservative. Let's take out 50% this first trade, close our short, confirm. And if you look here in the active place, you have this trade right here. It's showing to close it out right there. So active 5 trades, and these are to take profits on all of the current trades I have in. So yeah, guys, and that's pretty much it. Never financial advice. If you're just copying some random guy on YouTube's trades, you're destined to eventually blow out your account if you don't know what you're doing. I would say so. And this trade could completely be a loser. That's okay. You always got to be prepared for that because anything could happen. But again, with the BYBIT link, click the link, sign up for the account. Just email that. It takes 2 seconds. Use my link down below. 8 spots open for the big bonus. 100 spots open for, well, actually 98 spots left open for the spot trading bonus. They give you double the amount that you put in. If you put in $10, you get the $15. So just $10, get 15 back. Why not? Why not do it? All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are new. And like I said a bunch of times before, BYBIT link in description below. All right, guys, have a good one. Goodbye.